writing sad songs. I'll be writing sad songs. Someday I'll come home and feel like no one's even gone. With this in my shoes and know that I've been moving on. Someday I'll go to bed and I'll forget I'm lying in your spot. But until Sunday comes, I'll be writing sad songs.